Alright, so cruise for COVID. I'm near my house, kind of, meeting a bunch of other enthusiasts that we're gonna be going and meeting about, I don't know, they said anywhere from 400 to 1,000 cars that are all gonna be cruising through and around a bunch of different hospitals. So I'm gonna try to get some video of cruising there and cruising around is part of this event. So just kind of a different thing going on. Get out of the house finally for this whole social distancing crap. It is freaking cold out right now. It's probably like 40 degrees out, but gotta get the pictures of the cars. You know, car fam, you know, you just know. Alright, so we're here. There's not really many cars yet, as you can see, but we're like an hour early. So I do meet some other people here in a little bit and then come back and meet up again. So hopefully they save a spot for me. There's already some other cars that are here. Alright, so hopefully you hear me. I just wanted to have a little bit of fun. But here's Alright, I guess we're changing lines. So apparently we're trying to get into a better group.
Best days passes by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb back.
So we got my walkie-talkie.
It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. Will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal.
All right, we are rolling, and there is, like I showed, tons and tons of cars. I connected my GoPros. I don't know how much actual video I'm gonna do. I'm testing out the lovely GoPro remote, so definitely gonna be interesting times. Look at that. Nice rat rod. So all these cars rolling through. Walkie-talkie to communicate with everybody in my group. As well as I can change channels to coordinate with the actual people that are coordinating this. But this is freaking amazing. I'll try to record here and there with my actual camera in case the GoPros don't really get too much video. Find another way home, pizza boy.
Not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal.
got all the Jeeps. And then you got all these cars cruising in on the other side. This is absolute chaos. Absolute craziness. There's tons of cars behind. Alright, so I gotta park next to my Z fam even though I'm driving the Supra today. But this is like, apparently this is stop one, where everyone meets up and has lunch, and then we're gonna be walking through some other hospital. Driving through some other hospital. Look at these, man. God. Look at that. Man, so many cars. So I have no idea where my group of friends went. And then I'm not gonna walk all the way over there, but that's the whole other parking of chaos. Alright.
This is how you blocking the super owner.
So he is proud.
You don't let him get in.
He is proud of the fact that he is gonna make me climb across my seat because he knows I don't want a door dent my car. But this is how much of an ego Tesla owners have. They're so jealous that their Tesla is slower than a Supra that they're like blocking you in so I can't get in my car.
You gotta win the race somehow.
He's gotta cheat, you know? This mass craziness. Look at that beautiful Corvette behind me. Look at this. Just absolute craziness. Tons of cars trying to get out of here to go to the next hospital. There it is. That Lamborghini in front of me when it was rolling, oh my god, so amazing. So we're still driving. You can see just a crazy line of cars behind and then going to the hospital. It is really windy out, so you can see like all the trains behind us. More and more cars are catching up. More and more cars are catching up, and it's crazy because there's all these street lights and stuff, and you have like what, a couple hundred cars all trying to roll through and then roll back through the other way. Look at this line to go into the hospital, and then middle of a hospital. Just absolutely nuts. Like, you see the line of cars like coming down, leaving, and then the line of us going in is like absolutely. Man, there's just so many cars. So many freaking beautiful cars. It's just absolutely crazy, like all the different cars. And then we're gonna be pulling in here to Nova Hospital. ITJ. There, I found you. A Dodge Charger trying to do a burnout ahead of me. The motorcycle is doing a burnout. There's the smoke.
Okay, we'll have to get off of the call so that you can join in the group.
Damn, there's a motorcycle doing a burnout ahead of me. Whew.
The group.
Damn, there's a motorcycle doing a burnout ahead of me. Whew. And then another car behind us just was doing a burnout and just got pulled over. Yeah. Alright, so this is absolute chaos right now. Gotta use the restroom real quick, and then I don't know, is there another place or is this it?
There's other two places, but there's no one to go anymore.
Yeah, it looks like a lot of people broke off. My other group that I came down here with, it looks like they left. It's cold. So I believe I'm in Leesburg, you said? Sterling, Leesburg? Somewhere. But a lot of the cars and vehicles have already left. GTR is there. Supposed to, I guess, be 2 more hospitals to stop at, but it looks like a lot of people have like broken off and they're not doing the final ones. My radio died, so I can't really see what's going on. I'm gonna head home in here in a little while. Leave my dash cams obviously on. Hopefully when I get home I'll pull it and copy all the content off, and hopefully I got some good video for you guys. We'll see. I'm gonna end it here. Take care, stay safe at home, and take it easy. All for the YouTube. Hit like and subscribe, and check out whatever videos over here.
Right there.